The next question is regarding injections. Is it permitted during the fast?
As far as injections are concerned, there are different types of injections. It can be intravenous injection, it can be intramuscular injection, it can be subcutaneous injection. But the injections can broadly be classified in two types. One type of injection which gives a person a nourishment, which is equivalent to giving food. For example, if you take an intravenous glucose, the people who have excessive dehydration, etc., and cannot take food by the mouth. So normally the medical treatment is giving intravenous glucose. This is sort of nourishment. It is equivalent to giving food. This will break the fast. But if it's not a nourishment, if it's only a medical treatment like insulin, it can be subcutaneously, or it is penicillin, all these medical treatments which are not nourishment to the body, are not somewhat like food, these can be given during the daytime and the fast will not break. Though there are some scholars who say that it's makruh or discouraged, it's preferable if it's taken after the sunset. But the right ruling is that it does not break the fast because it's not any sort of food.